Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, you're welcome. Please subscribe and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Alright, so the first thing I'll be doing is to be lining my lips with my Huda Beauty lip eyebrow gel actually. So sometimes I use it to line my lips, and then that is what I use as my eyebrow gel. Yeah, so this is like a popular video that you guys have been requesting for, or highly requested video from you guys. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial, and then please don't forget to keep on telling me what you would want to see on here. Thank you. So what I'm doing is basically lining my lips gently, trying to do it in a way that I won't mess up the whole makeup or the whole of my face. Okay. Alright, so you can choose to ignore this step, but then sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. So you can use your what's it called you can use your Pro concealer, that's your concealer, to highlight that point that you would want your lips to pop or something like that. So I just did that, and I'm going in with my Beyond Beauty lip stick. Yeah, nude lipstick. Alright, so at this point I am using my brush to blend the liner and then the nude lipstick together in order to avoid harsh lines. Okay, after blending everything together, I'll be using my lip gloss to make everything pop. Yeah, so I enjoy making my lip glossy. I really do love doing that, if you have noticed on my channel. So yeah guys, this one is totally optional. You can choose to do it, you can choose to leave it matte, but then according to you guys requests, I saw a lot of glossy nude lipstick kind of look, so that's why I chose to do this. Can't you see the difference? It's very clear. It's glossy and so nice. Alright, so guys, I'll be using my primer again. Did I say primer? Yeah, I'll be using my concealer again to clean off the stains on my outer part of the lips, you get. So that is what I am doing now. Then I'll be using my brush to blend it in. So guys, I'll be using my powder to blend everything together, okay, so that the lips will not be looking different from the normal face. So that is what I am currently doing. And voila, that is it. That is basically it for the tutorial. See, easy peasy, so you can do it on your own as well. All right, the next thing I'll be doing is just to blend my face, my powder and everything together, and I'm done. So see you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching to this extent. Please kindly subscribe if you haven't, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. All right, see ya, bye.